Okay, now I'm going to organise my words for the week. I've got my pack of words for this week. I've got my review words, my review tricky words, and my tricky words for the week. So tricky words for the week there, review words, tricky words here. Okay, let's sort out the words for the week. Okay, so snort will be review, creep will be review, growl, winter. I've got ooh, music, unicorn, UE, rescue, argue, human, stupid, unit, tuna. That's one set. I, tie, lie, pride, pied, fried, tried. Another set. True, clue, blue, glue. Third, here we go. Third, shirt, bird, girl, skirt, girl, first. Right, so those are all my new words. Now I'm going to organise my review words. I need each, treat, proud, spoon, thump, earring. Each, treat, proud. Proud, thump, earring. Right, review Monday. I'm going to add in least, skirt, so don't move that, growl, bench, where's that? There it is. Magnet, that's the next day, popping that there. And then new ones, creep, shower, that's Wednesday. True, fried, rescue, winter, squelch, that's the next one. And then on Thursday I've got, that was for Monday, putting it there, snort. So Monday review, Tuesday review, Wednesday review, Thursday review, Friday review. All done. All the words for the week.